know this is not the end crochet. I don't know what to make of me. Every time I see a video, a recent video, and I see yarn in the background that I didn't get, I want it. So I go and get it. And that's what happened here. When I saw my latest Super Wal-Mart haul, I saw 3 yarns. I said, wait a minute, I liked those. How come I didn't get them? Well, I went and got them today. Got another bonus bundle. 10.5 ounces, 1,181 yards. Categorized as 3. And they're recommending a 5mm hook. I don't know if I'll use that. And this one is called Meowth. That's with a TH on the end. It's very pretty. I like the colors. I like that mauve especially. I'll sit right there. And I got a regular mandala, 5.3 ounces, 590 yards, categorized as a 3. And they're suggesting a 5mm hook. And the color is Spirit. It's Spirit. Or is that the translation? Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, I got that. I thought it was really pretty. And I didn't go crazy. I kept it same. And I got another ombre. And it's categorized as a 4. Tell you what, this 4 is on a diet. Because it's really thin. Okay. They suggest a 5.5 with it. 344 yards. What is the name? Harmony. So, that's that. And I broke away from that. And got Premier. When I saw this, it just smacked me and just like, buy me. So, and I've used Premier before and I really like their yarn. Little steep, but no more yardage it is, but it is a bulky. Got one. I normally don't get them when it's scraggly like this, but they pretty much just, this is all they had. And the name, I'm looking, it's probably right in front of me. Okay, no it's not. Oh. Checkers. I don't know checkers with me, but okay. Got 1. 2 of them. It's got a throw, but with no more yardage between the 2 of them. Probably, I say a shawl maybe. We'll see how it works out. And this is related. To keep Mount Kitty's fur off of everything, the Lion Brand got to go on the bottom crates, and I don't want her fur to get all over everything, so I got storage bags to put stuff in. Hopefully they'll fit. Let's see, quart and a gallon. Because I really couldn't find like inserts for the crates, so that's that. And that's my quick, short haul from Wal-Mart Super Center. I need to stay out of the stores. But, you know, I enjoy it. Please remember to like and subscribe. If you've been lurking and you think about subscribing, please do. And if you're on the fence, you're not sure yet, you can always give a like. Your feedback is very important to me. Y'all keep sweet. God bless. Hugs. And peace out.